Hello guys, welcome back. Abdu here again. Welcome to this CSS tutorial. This is lesson number 2. Alright, so today we're gonna learn more about selectors and CSS, also about padding and about navbar, as well as margins, opacity, and some floats and fonts and shorthand in CSS. And also we're gonna learn more about display, like in CSS, and colors and borders as well. All right. All right. So let's see. We're gonna start obviously like step by step, one by one. We're gonna start like from selectors, like in CSS, because yesterday we didn't finish like everything. All right, so let's create. First thing, let's create a div. Let's give it a class. Let's say my div like this. Okay, here. Okay, let's go get some text again, like from this website. We're gonna use this place, like this website again. Okay, we're gonna go here. Let's put it in here. All right, here we're gonna put like a P, like a paragraph. Okay. See right? No, hold on. My bad. I want to put here H1 actually. H1. Okay, look here. See, I don't have actually to put a paragraph, but you know, for example, if I go back, it's not gonna give me like any errors. See, it's gonna display it normal. But the point is, I'm gonna have issues later. For example, if I want to use like CSS, I cannot like let's say style only this text here, and also HTML. You know, it's not gonna format this text as like let's say a paragraph. It's just gonna say, okay, this is just a text, okay, like unknown text. So that's why let's use a paragraph in here, like this. I'm gonna go here, here. All right. Let's copy it like once more, or you know what? Let's use here section instead. Okay, let's use section instead of div. Section. Let's copy this one. Okay, let's go down here, another one, and let's call it like my sec2, and call this one my sec. Okay. Let's go down here, open like a new style tag, because we don't have any yet. Okay, so remember last time we saw how you can style, for example, let's say tags. Let's say if this one doesn't have class or like an identifier. Okay, we can just like do like this, like selection, like this, and then we can like put everything here. Okay, but let's say for example if we have like here, let's say dev. Okay, and the other one is like selection. I mean section. Okay, so we're gonna say here my dev, like this. Okay, so we'll have like to create here two tags. Okay, just so like one here for section and one here for dev, like this. Okay, but instead if we want like let's say to let's say apply one style to all the tags, to everything in this page. Okay, we can do like this, for example. See, and then we can, let's say for example, hold on, we can say background color like this, and then let's say background, let's say this aqua, and then we're gonna say like font family, let's say Arial. Okay, let's say this Vernada. Okay, and here I will show you later why there is like more than two fonts in here, even though like we only need one. Okay, so we can do like this, for example. We can even remove these two like this. All right, let's go back up, see the text, how it looks like, and like the font also. So when we refresh, the font changed, and also the background color, as we said. If we also see here, let's say font size, for example, hold on, like this, and then let's say larger, no, let's say 30 pixels, like this. Save, go back up, refresh again, see the text changed. All right, but this thing also, you know, like here, like for example, like global style also comes like with like disadvantages, because for example there are some properties just are not gonna work here. For example, let's say display in here, let's say display let's say here for example inline, or for example inline block, like this, and then we're gonna go back up, refresh, see here it gives us the error. See, it displays the title it all displays all the CSS we put in there. Okay. All right, so this is just an example, but if we go and copy this one, let's say here, and put here, hold on, let's say section dev, no, it's not section, yeah, it's section and dev, because yeah, div also has a class. Okay, anyway, we can go here, and then we're gonna say display inline, and then we're gonna say here like width, for example, let's say how much, let's say 400 pixels. Okay, and we're gonna refresh. See, right now it displays the text inline. Okay, see, like together at the same like at the same place. All right, let's see what else. Oh, okay, you know, this is just like an idea like of how we can use like a pointer like in CSS. Let's for example go here and let's say class, and here see we can give it like two classes. Let's say for example here, let's say big and then center, for example. Let's go here. See here there is space, it means there are two. If I for example add like underscore, it's going to be just one. If I added a dash, it's going to be just one like class. If there is no like dash in there or space, I mean if there's no space in there, it's going to be still one. Okay, so here we put space, then it means there are two. We don't need to put here like anything. Okay, just space. So we're gonna go here, hold on. Okay, here for example, let's say p and then want like to style, let's say we want to take the like, let's say big for example first, like this. In the big, we're gonna say here font size, let's see font size, let's say 30 pixels, let's say 20 pixels. Okay, and we're gonna take like p dot center, for example, like this, and then we're gonna say text align, let's say center, like this. Center. We can also add like something like color, or here, for example, let's add here color. We're gonna say red. Let's say red or brown. Okay. Let's refresh. See, the text become brown, okay, and the text also become like center, okay, and the font size change as well. You can see here like the normal font size, how small it is, and here how big it is. So you see here we use like two tags to style one class or one tag. All right, let's see what else. All right, actually, so that's that's it actually for like for selectors. Let's remove this here. Let's for example yeah, okay, let's remove everything here. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's say for example let's create another one here. Let's say that my sec. Okay, this is dot my sec. See, because this is a class, we add a dot. Remember, if it's ID here, I will have to add a hash like this. Okay. If it's not, like for example, if it's a section, we don't add a hash or anything. We just say section like this straight, and then we type in. But then it's gonna like all the sections in here are gonna be like are gonna be affected like by this CSS that's gonna be inside. So here my sec like this, like my section. And what else? Let's put here. Let's start with borders actually. Let's say border, and then like this. This is, for example, we can use shorthand in here. Let's say here want the border to be, let's say 3 pixels. Okay, want the border to be solid, let's say red like this. Okay, and when we're gonna go refresh, you're gonna see here, see it has a border and the border is solid. There is like different borders. There's like dotted border, there is like dashed border, there is solid, there is double, there is groove, there is red, there is inset, outset, none, and what else? Yeah, I think hidden. Okay, let's go here, for example. Wait, let's change this one to let's say dotted like this. Let's go. See, it's gonna be like in dots. Let's go back, change it like to double. It's gonna go like to like double. See, they are like double. If let me zoom in, see, this is a double double border. Let's say what else? Dashed. Let's say dashed first. Dashed, you know, and so on. There is a lot. See, right now it's become like dashes. Let's say hold on, groove like this. When we're gonna go back, refresh. Let's zoom in again. See, like the first one become like it's like dark red, and the second is just like red. Okay. What else? And there is also like otherwise, for example, like otherwise, you know, we can do like this. Let's say like this, like 3 pixels. What else? 3 pixels, and we're gonna say like red, like this. And we're gonna go here and we're gonna say border style. No, hold on. Border style. There is also like, for example, let's say border style. This is gonna affect everything. Okay, here, so we're gonna say like dotted like this. When we're gonna go up here, see it becomes dotted again. You know, and so on. You can put here like everything, like groove, like we did here. We can also do like this. Let's say, for example, hold on, top style like this, and let's say I want to be dotted. Okay, nope, dotted like this. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna say again. Okay, let's copy this one here. Let's put it here. Here we're gonna say bottom. Yes, we're gonna say here dashed. We're gonna go to the side. What should we give the side? Let's say the side, we want the side to be let's say right. The right, we want the right to be let's say groove like this. Okay, and we want the other like left to be what else there is? Let's say double like this. Okay, let's refresh. We're gonna go here, see like it changed. Okay, so we can also if we change, hold on here, let's say here 10 pixels, this is gonna be like really big right now. So refresh, see, this is double, this is dash, this is dotted, and this is right here, this is groove. Okay, in solid it's just the normal one like we always see. If we also see like hidden, for example, say for the left, if we say hidden like this, it's gonna be there, but it's gonna be hidden. See, you cannot see it anymore. We can also say like none like this. We're gonna refresh, see, it's still the same. What else? Let's say ridge like this. We're gonna go back up. Okay, this is ridge. It's like the opposite of groove. What else? Let me see. Yeah, there is like inset, for example. We can go back up, refresh. You see, this is inset. Okay, can you see the difference? This is the color red, and this is like dark red. We can say, for example, unset. If we, let's change this one, for example, like to blue, so you can, or green, because you can see the difference, because this doesn't happen only in if we go here, see, it's unset, it's not there anymore. Let's see, no, hold on, sorry, this is not unset, this is outset, my bad. Refresh, outset. Okay, this is outset. Well, okay, there is also, let's remove everything here. Okay, till here we're gonna say like border style. We can say, let's say solid, let's just keep it solid as it is. And then here we're gonna say like border radius. Okay, let me show you what border radius is. Okay, let's remove, let's put 0 pixels first. Okay, or let's remove it at all, save, go back up, refresh. See, this is how the border is. Okay, so we're gonna go here, we're gonna put it here, let's say 15, for example. Look what's gonna happen right now. See how the border changed? Right now it's become like even more cool. So we can, you know, change like this. Let's say, for example, let's even put like 90 pixels. See what happened right now? Okay, let's see, we can also say here, hold on, let's put here, let's say 30, and then we can say here like border, hold on, my bad, width like this, and let's say 4 pixels, and let's put this one like 3 pixels like this. Let's go back up. Okay, this is the border. Let's increase this one, let's say 5 pixels. See, it becomes fatter and fatter and fatter. All right, let's see. There is also like something else. For example, let's say if we want like the border, hold on, style here. Let's remove the style anyway. Here we're gonna say transparent. Okay, transparent like this, and let's go here. Let's say border image. Usually we use transparent with the border image so the image can appear. Okay, so we can see the picture of the border. Let's say image like this, then I'm gonna say link and image HTML5 .png. Okay, if we go here, let's say border, or wait, let's remove this one, let's refresh. Okay, because I really want you to understand. See, right now it doesn't appear in here. It is in there, but it's too small like for you to see. So we're gonna go here and say border image width like this, and here let's say 30 pixels. Okay, let's go back, refresh. Hold on. Border image. Let's see. Let's remove border width like this one. Yeah. Border image. Oh, yes. See what we did here? We left the color green. This was supposed to be we forgot like change it to solid. My bad. Alright, because here see we left like 2 colors, like solid. We left green and transparent. I mean, even the transparent isn't a color. Okay, let's refresh. See, right now you can see the image here. See, it's like as a border. Alright, let's put this. Let's remove the radius here and make this one. Let's say 15 pixels. Refresh. See, we can make hold on, the image as like the border for this. Hold on. Okay, for this tag. Okay, so let's say what else? Let's change it back to, let's say 100%. Let's remove pixel, save, go back, refresh. See, right now we have a border made of like a picture. Okay, let's see. All right, I think that's about it. There's also like, for example, let's say if we didn't put here transparent, for example, let's remove this one. Here we can also use like, for example, here solid, like this. We can use like border color like this. But this is just, you know, usually, let's say for example, border color, say aqua like this. No, let's say blue or blue violet like this. Refresh. See, it become blue violet. We can also say here, for example, let's say top color, and you're gonna say border what? Let's say bottom color like this. Let's say you want it to be okay, this color, burly wood. Okay, anyway, what else? There we can say border, let's say left. See, this is usually like how this is like useful, for example, and give like each border like a different color, but otherwise you can just use like in shorthand here. Let's say red like this. We can go like again border, what else, left, right, yeah, border right, and then we're gonna say here color like this, and the color, let's say brown like this. Okay, all right, let's save, let's go back up. See, the border has different colors. This is yellow, my bad. This is yellow, this is red. I'm sorry, I mean this is brown. No, it's not brown, it's actually that burly wood. This is brown, this is blue violet, and this is red. See, each side has different color. All right, so and also when it comes actually to colors, there are different ways like we can define a color. See here, these are names. We can also use hex. See, this is RGB, for example. We can change this to hex. We can change this to HSL. HSL means like hue and what else? Saturation, I guess, and lightness. This is hue. This is what it's short for. Okay, like HSL. All right. What else? See, for this one, let's use this is hex. Okay, and this says, hold on. Let's use what else? RGB. No, let's use RGB. Okay, for this one, let's leave the name. See, with different types like to define the color. If we go back here, see, it's gonna stay the same. It's not gonna affect anything. All right, so you see, it's really it's very simple. What else? Okay, let's go back up. Let's go here again to, let's say dev. No, let's say section and dev. That's dev. Yes. Here, let's refresh like this. See, they both have like these